How to use USTRAA Anti Hair Fall Shampoo, the defense you need against hair fall. Apply the shampoo on wet hair and scalp till it lathers thoroughly. Massage the shampoo thoroughly on your scalp. This will make sure you get best results from the ingredients that specifically target the layer of buildup on your scalp. Buildup is a combination of dirt, pollution, excess oil, sebum, and hair products that gets deposited on our hair and scalp throughout the day. Over time, it can clog the hair follicles and eventually lead to weak and falling hair. The USTRAA Anti Hair Fall Shampoo has apple cider vinegar, the most trusted ingredient for fighting hair fall. It will help rinse off any product buildup and also restore the natural pH of your hair, giving it more shine and luster. With the ancient Chinese ingredient ginseng, this shampoo helps strengthen weak hair follicles and roots and relieve stress, all of which help in preventing hair fall. Rinse it off completely with cold water.